Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. This is a redo. Let's do this over. Let's try this again. I am doing my IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing. This is the August edition, which this is my very first one. I am going to really try and have my genuine reactions, even though I've already opened this box and filmed the entire video, only to realize I was wearing similar clothes in the last video, so I deleted it. So, in the name of originality, IPSY Glam Bag Plus August edition. I am really excited. This is curated by Halsey. I know some of her music, but I don't really know her as a person, so I'm excited to see what's in this box. Let's go ahead and do this again. First thing in the box is, oh yes, the Light Look Highlight Fluid. Everything's already been opened. We're going to just pretend that it's brand new opening, but my reaction is genuine. This stuff is gorgeous. It is a highlight fluid, which means it's a liquid highlighter. This packaging is stunning. This is obviously a full-size product. Just do a dropsy poo. Try not to drop it on my laptop. Ah, oh, she's so pretty. She's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Okay. And this is from the company About Face. This is so pretty. I've never heard of them, but this highlight fluid is made in Italy and vegan. Da-da-da! Vegan. And probably cruelty free. Animal test free and vegan, yes. Look how pretty that is. Look how gorgeous this is. Ignore the burn irritation from my Smarty watch thing. Oh, that's so pretty. I have got to get that taken care of. Anyway, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, gosh, I'm so excited about this box. Okay, the next thing in the box is this Lash Treat Rose Infused Lash Serum by Treats Beauty. This packaging is so adorbs. This little zipper pouch. I can't get over it. I cannot. And this is just the last. I'm not going to open this because it's the lash serum, and I need to wash my face and do this at bedtime, I think, because it's an oil. Sweep the applicator with lash. Yep. Serum once a day. Oh, yep. Allow 1 to 2 minutes to dry. She's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to be using this in addition to my Latisse, which you know I already use. I'm not going to stop using that, but I will add this. The next thing was shocking. When I say I saw this and was shocked, I am shocked. Because I think this box, the GLAM BAG X, is like a $30 box, which I didn't think was a big deal. Maybe it's 30 plus the 25. I don't remember now. But anyway, this in and of itself is worth more than what I paid, I'm sure. This is a full-size Herbivore Emerald product. Look at this packaging. Herbivore is a very high-end brand. They are expensive. I love them. Their beauty skincare items are gorgeous. I have just never tried them because they're really expensive. But this is the Herbivore Emerald Hemp Seed Plus Aptogens, which I'm not sure. Is that a real word? Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Full size. Full size. Connect. Full size. I'm gonna have to look up how much this is. They sell this at Sephora. I didn't even open this. And now I've got the glow oil on the other hand. I'm gonna put this on my right hand. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, oh, I don't want to waste it. Oh. It feels so good. This literally feels so good. My skin is not rough by any means, but it feels amazing going on. It's so smooth and soft and absorbs really nicely. Oh. And I think this is one of the clean brands. I'm not Don't quote me on that. But I think it's one of the more natural brands. It's definitely bunny friendly. And it's a lot of different languages on there. So there's like 3 different languages. Okay. But I love it. Love it. Okay, next thing in the box. This box is just really blown me away. Truly blown me away. This is the uh, oof, Volition Yelpin Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. This is also a full-size product. Do you see that? Do you see that? 2 fluid ounces. 2. Dos. This packaging is so pretty, by the way. And this is clean, cruelty-free, and vegan. I'm not sure whose signature that is, but it's really pretty. Okay. Look at this giant jar of moisturizer. Look at this giant jar. The little copper top. So cute. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I still have my brand new moisturizer that my go-to in my bathroom waiting to be opened from my last IPSY moisturizer that I started using. It's great. I love it. Okay, I have like 4 things in the box. Right? 4 more? Yeah. I have 4 more things in the box. I did those things in the same order almost. Okay, next thing in the box is this Kiss My by Rhone Liquid Lip Balm. Is this a lip balm? Okay, so the shade is Charlie. The shade name is Charlie. If this is a tinted lip balm, I'm gonna have to try this on right now. I guess I didn't comprehend it because I was so excited the last time during the first filming of this video, but this is a liquid lip balm. We're gonna have to try this on. This is pretty. Just a simple clear top. The color. It's one of those new open doe foot tilted applicators. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's creamy. Oh, that's creamy and soft. That's a nice natural look. Oh yeah. Drop the box. Oh yeah. A slight tingle. Lip enhancing? Vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free. Ooh, yeah. 0% stickiness, 100% shine. Oh, yeah. I like it. I like it. Okay, moving on. Next, also a shocker. Yes, you read that right. Fenty Beauty. Yes. The color is called Because I'm Black. And this is their Fenty or her Fenty Beauty mascara. Full size. Full size. This box blew me away. Like I'm addicted already. It's taken 1 box. The next thing, the DNA Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream. It is sealed for safety. A 1.7 ounces is the full size, I believe. Wow. Age defying smoothing cream for all skin types. This lip balm is nice. Yeah, yeah, lovely. Last but not least, this Silk Canvas by Tatcha. I just had to let you absorb that for a moment because, wow, this is a full-size product. And, wow, the packaging. I cannot get over. This is also a high-end brand. Do you love that? Oh, I'm sorry. Let me raise it up. Do you love that? Do you love that? It was all enclosed in like sealed and everything. I already did all that. This is the Silk Canvas. This is a primer. Look at this. How pretty is that? Pretty is that? And it comes in this cute little box with a cute little applicator. And I didn't know how to use this or what to do with it because this is my first Tatcha product. I have had that before as a sample, but as like it was the size of this. It was so small. And so what I learned was you hold it like this with this line at the top and you scrape it across the top of the product. You get it to the line and you use that as a primer on your skin. That's how you know you have the right amount. This has to be washed because I did drop it on the ground earlier in my first filming. And this is, I believe, made of rice paper. I'm blown away. I really am. And I will just open this and show you the balm. Oh wait, let me just do that again. Let me just. I love it. I love it. It's just a nice little balm. It's got a nice iridescent quality to it. It's really pretty. And it's very smooth from what I remember from the sample. Yeah. Beautiful faces, beautiful futures. Oh, one purchase equals one day of school. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in. I am so excited. And then it comes with this little paper. This little paper is like this complete news edition of information. I'm so excited. I can't wait to read this. Yeah, so that's Glam Bag Plus. Glam Bag X. Uh, it is a quarterly. I believe it's quarterly. I don't believe it's replacing your monthly box. I think it's an addition to. So I am really looking forward to the next box, which I think should be coming out in December or January. September, October, November, December. Yeah, December. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love. Oh my gosh. Okay, just for fun, I'm just gonna open up Sephora's website and open up and see how much that herbivore is because I promise you, trying this, you get your money's worth. You get your money's worth. Like I said, I think it was $30 extra. So I think I paid maybe $55. I think. I don't really think I paid that much though. I don't know. But herbivore. Move, Samsung. Herbivore. Oh, where's that cloud oil? Emerald. Oh, well, there you go. There's my money's worth right now. The herbivore. On Sephora's website. $58. So I've already made my money back in that one product. Full size. I I love it. I love it. And this balm feels really good. It is really not sticky at all. I think, and it's still very moisturizing. Wow. So Glam Bag X is created by, I guess, famous people, and they have all these specialty products that they choose. Oh, valued at over $300. Yep, it sure is. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I've got to read this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Today is a gorgeous day. Unfortunately, the pool is closed, so I'm back at home, which is good because I probably need to clean my room. Thank you again. This is my IPSY unboxing for August. It is my IPSY Glam Bag X. So I think this is replacing my glam bag for the month. However, I am not at all disappointed. I am super excited and very much looking forward to using all of my new things. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. Peace.